In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore deleted pages in Notion. If you've ever deleted a page by accident or changed your mind after a cleanup, don't worry. Notion makes it simple to bring that content back. I'll walk you through the exact process, explain what you'll see on screen, and share a few tips so you feel confident restoring any page you need. Start by opening your Notion sidebar and scrolling down to the trash section. The sidebar is your main navigation hub. It's where your pages, favorites, and workspace areas live. As you scroll, keep an eye out for the trash label. That's where Notion holds recently deleted pages so you can recover them if you need to. Click Trash to open it and view the pages that were removed. You'll see a list of your recently deleted items, often showing page titles and sometimes small visual cues from the content. Think of this view as a safety net. It's designed to help you quickly scan what's been deleted without permanently losing anything right away. Next, locate the page you want to restore. Take a moment to look carefully at the titles, especially if you tend to reuse names or have multiple versions of similar pages. If you remember an icon or a unique phrase in the title, use that to spot the right one. There's no need to rush here. Making sure you've picked the correct page will save you from having to repeat the process. Now, hover your mouse over the page name inside the trash list. When you do, you'll see additional options appear to the right of the page title. This hover action reveals the control you need, keeping the list clean until you're ready to act. Click the Restore option beside the page. As soon as you restore it, the page will be removed from the trash view and sent back to where it originally lived in your workspace. In most cases, it returns to the same place in your page hierarchy, so it should feel familiar when you go to find it again. Finally, return to your workspace and confirm the page has been restored successfully. Navigate to the area where the page used to be and look for its title. Open it to make sure the content looks right and that everything is in place. If you don't see it immediately, give it a moment or check the parent page where it previously lived. And that's all there is to it. By using the trash section, hovering to reveal controls, and restoring with a single click, you can quickly recover deleted pages in Notion and get back to work with confidence.